Ready to boost your energy with just 5 simple ingredients? Let's dive in. Hi there, health enthusiasts. Today, we're whipping up the ultimate Ron boosting juice, a powerhouse drink that's packed with vitamins and minerals to lift your energy and improve your iron levels. First up, we have a lemon rich in vitamin C. It's going to help your body absorb all that iron goodness. Next, a 2-inch piece of ginger. Not only does it add a kick, but it's also great for your digestion and immune system. Now, for the Iron Star beetroots. We're using 2, and they're loaded with iron, folate, and nitrates to enhance blood flow and energy. Toss in 6 ounces of strawberries. They're bursting with vitamin C, manganese, and antioxidants, making sure you get the most out of the iron. Finally, we've got 3 oranges, another vitamin C champion, adding a refreshing zing and helping with iron absorption. Making this juice is a breeze. Just wash all your ingredients, juice them up, or blend and strain if you prefer. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately to get the maximum nutrient boost. So, are you ready to try Ron Boosting Juice? Give it a go and share your experience in the comments. Let's boost our health together, one delicious sip at a time. Cheers to vibrant health and boundless energy.